is literally 2 to 3 hours a day. You post 3 pieces of relatable content. How we show you, for 30 minutes, you spend an hour engaging on social media, doing exactly what you're doing right now, which is liking, commenting, engaging in content that moves you, right? And then you spend 30 minutes responding to call to actions that you put into your videos. Like, if you want to learn more, type yes. It is the step that you give people to go to the next level, right? To go to the next phase, right? So you spend 30 minutes responding to comments or questions or emails doing that. And basically, you're done. If you choose to go live like I do, you have 1,000 followers on TikTok, you choose to do that, to be able to get that done, you can do that as well. As long as you do all of those three, you remain coachable, and you remain committed, and you remain taking action, you remain doing what it is you need to do every single day to be able to bring success, which